Okay, my people, and welcome. If anybody no tell you wetin they find for this particular question, just know say wetin they find at this x wey there. You don't see no go fit just find x because of this thing wey dey on top. So I want to do a right solution. I go to apply the rules of logarithms for this particular place. So if not the first time we they come my page with this, don't forget just hit the subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so that anytime we upload new video, you receive notification. Then like this video and share them. They're very, very important. Drop for comment section if you go enjoy this particular video. I will make sure say you enjoy them. Now, you get one rule of logarithm they call power law. What is the power law? Power law say if I get log, maybe x to the power of a base b. See this particular a with the up. This one a base, this one a power. This one a normal logarithm of a number x. What happen to this power? I'll carry this power come in front of this logarithm here. So this will come become a log x base b. Now power law of logarithm is that. Now wait I want to apply for this particular place. Is this say this one now resemble this particular one? This one here resemble this one. This one resemble this one. So normally go see say this guy will come up and become 12 log x plus 3 base 2 then equal to. Shafi clean this one come out now. You understand? I don't use that. Write them down somewhere because you will need that for life. Okay, so you come out this one now. Come write 36. Now, as it be like this now, before I will introduce another logarithm rule, give you the first thing I will do now, I want to come out this guy. How I want to come out them. See you mates here. You know supposed to for here because this guy won't stay alone. They like stress. So I want to remove this 12 and to divide both sides by 12. Divide both sides by 12. This one and this one will cancel come out. You get the point now. Now what will remain now this guy log x plus 3 base 2 equal to, if they ask you what did they call them, 36 divided by 12, you're going to say the answer now 3 because 3 times 12 will give you 36. You understand what I try to talk? It's very, very simple now. So what will be the next thing we remain now? Again, another rule of logarithm I want to show you. I'll show you first before I apply them here. If I get log a base b equal to x, this particular b go raise to the power of this x. So I'll get b to the power of x equal to this a, equal to this a. You ask me what of logarithm? It don't disappear and I made the rule. This b go raise to the power of this x, then equal to this a. Now I'm waiting to see like this. This same thing now I apply for here. This 2 be like this b, this a be like x plus 3, this x be like say now this particular 3 equal to now this one log now this one. So see what I try talk now. So now I can get 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 equal to this x plus 3. This is now the same thing I do here now apply here. I feel clean now be ahead. So you now write this thing down. It will be useful. Making over fail your exam. So now everybody knows say 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. If you don't know I'm today. 2 times 2 now 4. 4 times 2 now 8. See here now 8 equal to x plus 3. Now x what I tell you from the beginning is now what you want to find. What you will do to get this x? Come out this 3. How you want to come out this 3? Subtract 3 from both sides. This one and this one will cancel. Therefore, x will be equal to 8 minus 3 give us 5. So the answer to this particular question we see here now 5. Just 5. Just 5. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you never subscribed before. Turn on the bell icon so that when I upload new video, you self will get notification first before any other person. Then the one we did very important, we need to do, share them for your group chat, share them for your status, share them for your pages, so that other of your classmates will still see this one. This one will be useful to people who write WAEC, JAM, and also with their 100 level. I don't come out. If you do GPEP, nursing, all of them need that. And I need logarithm to survive. Share this video and like them. I don't come out.